Have you ever wondered how the rich keep getting richer? One powerful tool they use is the stock market, and the good news is you can use it too. The stock market is where people buy and sell shares of companies. When you invest in a company, you become a shareholder. You own a small part of that business. Think about big companies like Reliance, TCS, or Infosys. If their business grows, your investment grows too. That's the magic of compound growth. Why should you start investing in the stock market? It helps you build wealth over time. You can earn passive income through dividends, and it helps you beat inflation, so your money doesn't lose value over the years. You don't need a finance degree or a lot of money to start. With the right guidance and simple strategies, anyone can learn. Wealth Mantra Trading Academy. We teach you stock market basics in Marathi, Hindi, and English. Step by step, with lifetime support, take your first step towards financial freedom today. Join our beginner-friendly stock market course and start your journey with confidence. Click the link below and enroll now, because it's time to trade smart, grow rich.